Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we've prepared a special bento box featuring teriyaki chicken, Aosa seaweed omelette, and komatsuna in a light tempura broth. This combination not only tastes amazing but also packs a nutritious punch. So let's start cooking! First, let's prepare the chicken. Start by cutting the chicken thin into bite-sized pieces for easy eating. Next, let's marinate. Mix the soy sauce, sake, and sugar in bowl. Add the chicken pieces, ensuring they're well coated with the marinade. Let this sit for about 5 minutes to soak up the flavors. While the chicken marinates, place Aosa seaweed in a bowl and cover it with water to rehydrate. In another bowl, crack open 2 eggs. Beat them lightly. Next, drain the seaweed. Once the Aosa is rehydrated, drain off the excess water. A fine sieve works best, but your hand will do just fine in a pinch. Add the drained Aosa to the beaten eggs, along with 2 tablespoons of water and a pinch of salt, blending well. Now it's omelette time. Heat a bit of oil in a pan. Once hot, pour in half the egg mixture. As it's set, hold into third. Repeat with the remaining mixture to create a fluffy layered omelette. Next, cook the teriyaki chicken. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a separate pan. Cook the marinated chicken, skin side down, until golden.
うまいやつだ。匂いで。今度頼む。
じゃあよかった。
Yes.
Flip, add the remaining marinade, and cook until the chicken is thoroughly cooked and glazed in the teriyaki sauce. Now let's start packing our bento. First, fill it with rice, then add the teriyaki chicken and the omelette. For the third item, we are using the komatsuna and fried tofu in broth that we've introduced in a previous video. Make sure to drain them well before adding to your bento. Finally, to complete your bento, sprinkle some sesame salt over the rice and place a pickled plum on top. This arrangement with the plum on the rice is reminiscent of the Japanese flag and is often referred to as a hinomaru bento. The combination of teriyaki chicken, uniquely flavored omelette, and komatsuna in broth paired wonderfully, creating a delicious and satisfying meal. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. We hope this bento brings a little joy and a taste of Japan to your day. Whether you are making it for yourself or someone special, it's sure to impress with its delicious flavor and balanced nutrition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty Japanese recipes. If you have any request or suggestion, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!